Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah, and I hope you're having a great day. We are back with part 2 of our pickleball set, showing you how to make a simple playing court with detachable net that folds up for easy storage. We've had a viewer request for this type of craft, so we hope you find this DIY helpful. Okay, let's get making. For the grass field, take 2 sheets of green poster board and join the long sides together with sticky tape. Next, trim a second piece of poster board for the surface area of the court. We chose a light purple as it complements the base green card. Adhere with glue stick, ensuring there is an even border at the edge and along the sides. Cut and glue another piece for the left side of the court. The middle is covered with dark purple poster board. It's the non-volley zone, so you want it to stand out. To further define the different zones, we used a white check washi tape, marking a border around the whole court first, then taping down the middle area, and lastly the center lines of each playing area. We also cut and punched star shapes from different shades of purple and white cardstock to decorate the corners of the court, giving it an AG artistic aesthetic. Now let's make the net. For this we are using a thin PVC mat intended to line cupboard drawers or be placed under floor rugs. The grid pattern looks great for a doll-sized net. It's easy to cut, so we can get a rectangle the length of the non-volley zone. Outline the top and bottom edges of the net with your white washi tape. Then repeat on the opposite side. The posts are made from recycled cardboard tubes. Prepare it with a coat or 2 of white paint, then trim the tube to be around 20 centimeters. Do the same for a second post. Next, make a slit down the center of both tubes, leaving a 1 centimeter gap at either end. Feed the short edge of the net into the slit. We didn't require any adhesive, but you can secure the net on the inside of the tube with drops of hot glue. Repeat this step with the other end of the net. From poster board, punch circles larger than the diameter of your tube to make the feet for each post. Stack and glue 3 discs for the base. Stack and glue 6 circles for the top. Then adhere 2 discs together, draw the center line and cut to get a semicircle. We will use this piece as a spacer. Affix it to the base stack, then add the thicker top piece. Make another, then give them a pretty paint job. To cap off our posts, we use these wooden discs bought from the local dollar store. Or you could punch, stack and glue more paperboard circles. Paint them to match the feet. We used a pink acrylic. Find the center of your pickleball court and slip the foot over the poster board. With both feet in position, we can adhere the posts using hot glue. Aim to place your posts in the center of the foot. Complete the net by hot gluing the pink caps to the top of your tubes. And when play is over, you can put this piece away quickly by slipping off the feet, wrapping up the net, and folding your poster board in half. In just an afternoon, we can turn poster board and paper tubes into a super cute sports court, perfect for our dolls when they want to play a round or 2 of pickleball. And since this is a DIY, you can modify the dimensions and customize the colors to make a tennis, badminton, or basketball court. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!